What's up, folks? Dominoes 7 back. The sun is out. Look, out here in New Orleans. Look, y'all, the sun is out. Huh? No, wait a minute. Wow, the sun is out, folks. Okay, so you know what? I want to talk to y'all about somebody with attitude and stuff like that. I mean, you could deal with the public and stuff like that, but you know what? I'd apologize to her if she apologized to me, you know, because guess what? All I try to do is be a friend, be nice, but guess what? It doesn't matter. I understand she lost somebody she love and stuff like that, but oh, I'm sorry, y'all. The thing done froze. All right. It must have was a bad connection. Okay. Well, what I was saying was I want to talk to y'all about somebody with nasty attitudes and stuff. You know, I don't have time for that shit. You know, huh? I understand she lost somebody she loved and stuff like that, but that don't give her the fucking right to treat people the way she want to fucking be treated, you know? The way she want to treat them. Now that's fucked up, you hear me? So, hey, can't upset somebody with a mental disability, you understand? Can't do that shit, you know? Now that's to treat somebody like that just because they having a bad day or something like that, huh? You're mad at the fucking world. Go crawl under a motherfucking rock, you know? Huh? I don't have time for your shit, you know? You don't like people. You don't like your fucking self, you know? I love myself, you know? I mean, driving the bus, working at Walmart, you have a fucking attitude. Quit your fucking job. You can't deal with the fucking can't deal with the public. Quit your damn job. You know, quit. Go some fucking where or work somewhere where you don't have to deal with the damn public. You know, huh? It's all about the money. People care about fucking money. You know. Yeah, I love money too, but I don't love money like that. You know. On my way to the doctor on this road right here. Okay. So hey, fuck if you hate Dominoes 7, you hear me? Huh? Yes, indeed. I wonder if somebody gonna watch my video and say something. Well, what the hell? There's snitches out there, you know. People are fucking messy. I don't have time for no fucking mess ass people. I don't got time for no nasty attitudes and shit, you know? I don't have time for that shit. You hear me? Huh? Mess up Dominoes 7D. You hear me? Huh? I don't got time for people with mess and attitudes and shit, you know? Huh? I don't have time for it. You heard me? I wonder who gonna talk and stuff like that, you know, when they see this video, you know. I don't do that. Well, guess what? Treat people the way you want to be treated, okay? That's all I say. You hear me? I'm in Jefferson Parish right now. Okay. All right. Y'all see that water tower? See Jefferson? Yeah, I love that. I've been in Metairie when I was a child, and I didn't know this was Jefferson Parish. You know, I love Jefferson Parish. You know, Jefferson Parish is the best parish in the world. Yep. Well, to me, it's in Louisiana. All right, so that's it, folks. All right, that's all I gotta tell y'all. All right, I'll do my Facebook live stream a little later. All right, bye.